second video of my spring cleaning. I'll link the first one down below, and today I'm going to show you a Clorox solution that I'm going to make just using water and Clorox so that you can use it to clean your house and disinfect it, because I know everywhere things are running out, and if you at least have Clorox in your home, then you can make this and disinfect. I'm also going to be showing you, sharing with you everything that we've been doing to keep it away from, I guess, entering our home. And yeah, so I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to hit the like for me, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. So now let's get on to the video. Hey guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is cleaning these carpets, because we were the type of people that would not take off our shoes while coming inside the house. And you know, right now, like, that is something that you shouldn't be doing. So my first tip for you would be to leave your shoes somewhere where you won't be walking around your house with them. We normally walk in through our laundry room, so we've been leaving them in the laundry room now. And now that our carpets are nice and clean, we feel so much better, because we are not bringing anything that our shoes got outside. And honestly, I thought this Dollar Tree product was, I knew it was good, but I thought that for cleaning my carpets it wasn't the best. And honestly, it is, because I cleaned my boys' carpets not too long ago, and I just did it a few nights ago, and the water wasn't coming up so dirty. So I always thought also that my carpet cleaner wasn't the best, but you know what, it actually does a good job. And the living room, I mean, it takes me a very long time for me to go and clean it back up. So hopefully now that the shoes aren't coming in, the carpets are not going to get as dirty. So now that the carpet is nice and clean, I actually chose to do it at night, so by the time we would wake up in the morning, everything would be nice and dry. From Dollar Tree. I went looking everywhere to see if they had more disinfecting wipes and spray, but I couldn't find anything. So I ended up getting these to clean my walls. This duster, because I need to dust. This is the bottle that I'm going to be putting water and Clorox in. Oh, I needed more of these. I always like getting them there, 45 for $1. Like, that's a good price. More of these to clean my stove. This obviously to clean my dishes and that. And then I have a black one that I use for my mop, so I wanted to get another color to use for my walls, because I love cleaning my walls, so I definitely needed one, so I also got that. Okay, so I only have this kind of bleach, and that is okay. It's still bleach. It'll work the same. So it says to use 2 cups for 1/4 of a teaspoon of bleach, so we're going to be doing that in here. Just mix it up, and there you guys go. Now you have a disinfecting spray. And for the water that I'm going to be using to clean my walls, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to be using that with these to clean my walls. And this one I'm going to be using to clean my surfaces, and I'm also going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. at least, so it could disinfect very well. And then this is, I don't have a duster, so I figured I'd just use this one. It's good, right? It'll work. Let me show you what my living room and my dining area look like. My nephew and my sister came to visit. We hadn't seen each other in like a week and a half because the kids were sick, and it was nice having them back. We literally see each other like every day because she's of course my gym buddy, but you know the gym's canceled now. So let me pick this up first, and I'm gonna dust, clean the frames, disinfect, wipe the walls, and I'm also going to be cleaning the vents there and vacuuming the dust off of them.
Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes, under the night sky for eternity. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes, under the night sky for eternity. Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me.
So for the living rooms, I am going to be wiping them down with this method cleaner first, all the surfaces, and then I'll be adding the disinfecting spray and let it sit there for a bit. You want to test this out on all your furniture and make sure you don't spray it like on your fabric, on your couches, because I don't know how it is. Any products that you use, always test out in a little area, and then if you see that it doesn't react bad, then go ahead and continue to use them. After dusting, I'm gonna go ahead and start disinfecting the walls, and mostly in the areas that we touch or my kids are touching. Okay guys, and my second tip would be that also when you come home, make sure you spray everything you took out, like your purse, you wipe down your cell phone, you take off your clothes, especially if you've been like at the store, and just throw on some new clothes, because anything that you were using outside, you want to make sure that you disinfect it, and also just go ahead and change your clothes so that way you don't have it with you when you're around your kids or, you know, sitting in your couches. Don't forget to wash your hands, which they say for 20 seconds, but now I'm doing for at least 30. I feel like that's kind of like your shoes, like things you should have always be doing. I've always washed my hands when I come in from the stores, but the shoes is definitely something new that I'm going to do, and I'm going to continue to do from this point on. Okay guys, these floor vents were so filthy. It's easy to just kind of like ignore them because of course they're on the floor and it's carpet and you don't really see them. So yeah, I had not cleaned these in quite some time, as you can tell. And first I took off as much as I could, and then I'm gonna leave them in this bucket with a little bit of dish soap, Clorox, and water to sit, and then I rotated them. Next tip guys is honestly just to try to stay healthy. If you can, work out from home and get some fresh air, open up your windows a little bit, so that way you don't feel so stuck of being home. Try to do some activities with your kids if you guys are mommies, and yeah, just I guess enjoy this time, because if you start letting it get to your head, then it's just gonna be harder for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like if you guys did, and if this is the first time you see one of my videos, and I hope you hit that subscribe button so that you guys can become part of my little YouTube family. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. It's getting dark over here, but I wanted to show you guys these books that I always purchase at Dollar Tree. And right now that this whole coronavirus and them not going to school, this is awesome that I had on hand. So you see I got the numbers, some kinder ones, some second grade, and my son read today. These are other books, and then these are some more like sight words and stuff that his teacher gave me like a while ago, like when he first started kinder. So this is good. So we've been doing this. We started today. Not been doing it. We started that today.